Assalamu alaikum dear students. After completing the topic physical properties of metals, today we are going to discuss physical properties of non-metals. The physical properties of non-metals are just the opposite of the physical properties of metals. The important physical properties of non-metals are: number first, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. We saw in case of metals that metals are malleable as well as ductile, but non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. This means they can neither be beaten into sheets nor drawn into wires. In fact, they are brittle. They means they break easily. For example, if we beat sulfur or phosphorus, which are solid non-metals, with a hammer, or we try to stretch them, they will break. They will break into pieces. And this property by which non-metals break on being hammered or stretched is called brittleness. This property is called brittleness. Number second, unlike metals, non-metals do not conduct heat and electricity. Metals conduct both heat and electricity, but non-metals do not conduct heat and electricity because they have no free electrons. As we know, free electrons are responsible for the conduction of electric current. But there is one exception, that is carbon, which is a non-metal in the form of graphite, is a good conductor of electricity. Number third, non-metals are non-lustrous. It means they are not shiny. In fact, they are dull. There is also an exception, iodine, which is a non-metal, has a shiny appearance. So non-metals are dull except iodine. Number 4, non-metals are generally soft. Non-metals are generally soft except diamond, which is an allotrope of carbon. Except diamond. Diamond is very hard. Diamond is very hard. Next, non-metals may be solid, liquid, or gases at room temperature. As we saw earlier, metals are usually solid, but non-metals, they can be solid, liquid, or gases. I will give some examples. For example, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. These are usually solids. Bromine is liquid at room temperature. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, these are gases. Another physical property of non-metals is that non-metals have comparatively low melting points and boiling points. Next, non-metals have low densities. It means they are not heavy, they are usually light. Next property is non-metals are non-sonorous. Metals are sonorous, but non-metals are not sonorous. It means they do not produce sound when hit with an object. Non-metals have many different colors. They come in many colors. For example, sulfur has a yellow color, graphite has a black color, phosphorus, there are two types of phosphorus, white and red. Phosphorus, it can be white as well as red in color. Chlorine, it has yellowish green color, yellowish green color. And similarly, hydrogen and oxygen, they are colorless. So these were the physical properties of non-metals. Inshallah, in our next class